Well, I did my personal home loan with Barry a little under 2 years ago, and I had a little bit of an unusual situation, you know, self-employed like most of us in this industry are, and it was recently out of marriage, so he handled it like beautifully. It was 22 days, contract to close, and you know, fairly complicated with a lot of documentation, and his team was like the whole time they're like, nope, we got this, you're great. And you know, I had, just like every other buyer, had some fear, like, oh, maybe I won't qualify, maybe I don't have enough tax records on my own, and they're like, nope, we got this.
Many write-offs.
It was a great process, and I felt the whole time, I felt like I was in great hands.